Now we first perform the operation of restoring the factory settings. Make sure each machine is run before our quality tested. Okay, now let's start the formal operation. Select the data key to enter the PP menu. Set the parameter to 001 to restore the motor parameters. Readjust the setting to 002. A total of 2 settings. After completion, restore the machine to factory settings. Then enter the P101 setting interface. Set the motor parameters here. We see that the power parameter is displayed as 30 kilowatt. This is the power of the motor. After setting the motor power parameters, enter the P102 setting interface. Set the voltage parameters of the motor, 380 voltage. Continue to return to P103 to set the motor current parameter, 60 amps. And the frequency parameter of P104, 50 Hz. P105 sets the rated speed of the motor. Have to be aware of is the settings of these parameters must be adapted to the parameters of the motor. When we get here, we need to check the time of acceleration and deceleration. First is the acceleration time. The default acceleration time of our machine is 10 seconds. We want to target different load situations. Set different durations for this. P0-18 is to set the deceleration time. The deceleration time should also be adjusted according to different loads. Of course, we recommend this deceleration time. When in an environment with high inertia, the set duration is called more. If the motor operating environment is in a very large inertia, we recommend setting in P6-10, stop mode. Set the stop method to free stop. Adjust the parameter to 1 equals free stop. After the above parameters are set, preliminary test runs can begin. Of course, you also need to confirm your command channel before running. The command channel setting interface is P0-02. When the parameter is 1, it is started by the terminal. That is here. Then confirm and set the frequency source. The frequency source machine uses the up-down keys by default to set the speed. Here we have basically completed all the settings and preparations. We can start trying to run and test the machine at this point. After running, if something bad happens, for example, when encountering an overcurrent fault alarm, we can adjust the parameters with more realistic. Now, we start the machine through the operation panel. We can see that the red indicator light in the upper left corner means running. At the same time, the frequency displayed on the panel is also changing. At this time, the parameter displayed on the panel is the voltage of the bus. Now is the displayed output voltage. Now the running frequency parameter is 0. This is because now we are using a light bulb to simulate the load. So load is approximately equal to no load. So we can't see the current parameter either. When connecting the motor, you can definitely see the parameter changes. Of course, the parameters cannot be changed during operation. At this point, we press the stop button. It can be seen that its operating frequency is gradually decreasing. That is, slow down and stop. Only when the running light is off, we can adjust the parameters. Okay, now, we will connect the inverter to the motor for testing. Now, we can see the change of current on the panel. The current is about 17 amps now. When we set the free parking mode again. In this mode, when the stop button is pressed, the load is directly disconnected. This mode is more suitable for mining and other applications. Because when some motors with large inertia are used. Because the deceleration time is too long. Or in the case of a reversal, will cause some damage to the inverter. The above is the whole content of the video. Thank you for watching.